Let's fall asleep. Oh God! She farted.
You mean she?
Yeah, she said she farted.
Did she burp?
No, I think it's in your belly. If you clap your hands.
Is she asleep?
Yeah. Yeah. Just passed out on his shoulder. Oh, eyes are opening up. You gotta pat it. Harder. There you go. You're my baby now. Fall asleep.
You taking pictures or?
Videotaping.
Oh.
I'm awesome. Post on Facebook and say Isaiah feeding the baby. First time. Very nervous.
It's actually just burping the baby.
This thing's scary. I don't know what
Stop
this.
it, you're
I have my iPod, you jerk!
Stop recording.
Oh.
Positions here.
Muscles. Hey boy.
What did you wash these with?
Your other workout clothes?
Wanna go? I'm all yours. Yeah. Oh.
Some of my clothes, Nikki's clothes.
It ain't. It says it.
But the stuff in there
Hey,
was almost
you.
dry
No
already.
camera photos, okay?
Too bad. Gotta make it dry.
No.
Oh!
You cursing. You can pull her arm back.
Hey, come on!
What?
You should have had that learning curve down.
Yeah, go up the stairs, you ugly honey guy.
Go ahead, I'll tell everyone you got.
Come here.
Oh, not burping. Why?
Now I'm